Buongiorno, VegHeadz! Today is all about fine, foodie foliage. Leaves. I love leaves everywhere in my cooking, even on my French fries. Especially on my French fries. I'm a leaf cutting machine. Look at me go. You can make even better French fries than you get at a restaurant. Here's a secret you can only do at home for crispier, healthier French fries. The trick? Cold oil frying. As the oil gets hotter, it cooks the French fries from the inside out for fluffier middles and a crispier bite. The best fries in the world deserve the best mayo in the world. Observe.
When you're feeling down and out, you know just what to do. Just sing along, break into song, sing oopie doopie doo. And if the air is silent and the song is overdue, don't think twice, take my advice, sing oopie doopie doo. When you're singing oopie doo, everybody smiles at you. Just sing this happy song and everyone will sing along. So let me entertain you, it will stop you feeling blue.
Let's face it, mayo is great with everything. Okay, maybe not lemon meringue pie, but pretty much everything else. Oh yeah, best damn French fries. A handful of sage, some sprigs of rosemary, and my favorite, basil. Best fries ever.